Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how an inventory scanner works, from scanning an item to updating stock data in the inventory system. First, the process starts when a worker picks up an inventory scanner or mobile handheld scanner and activates it by pressing the scan button. This tells the device to turn on its scanning system and prepare to capture item information. Next, the scanner is aimed at a barcode or QR code on a product, box, shelf label, or warehouse item tag. At this stage, the scanner uses a laser light or imaging sensor to read the printed code. Then, the scanner detects the reflected light or captures the image of the code. The black bars and white spaces reflect light differently, and the scanner uses this difference to understand the pattern of the barcode or QR code. After that, the internal decoder inside the scanner converts the captured pattern into digital item information. This information may include SKU number, product code, item ID, batch number, or serial number. Once the code is decoded, the system identifies the item. It matches the scanned data with the inventory database and recognizes details such as item name, quantity, location, batch, and stock record. Next, the scanner sends the decoded data to the inventory system. This data can be transmitted through USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or a dock cradle, depending on the scanner type and workplace setup. After the data reaches the software, the inventory system updates the stock information. For example, it can update available quantity, receiving records, picking status, item location, stock movement, or cycle counting records. Finally, the scanner confirms the successful scan and update. This confirmation may appear as a beep sound, LED flash, vibration, or on-screen message, so the worker knows the item has been scanned correctly. Moreover, an inventory scanner includes important parts such as the scan window, light source, imaging sensor, trigger button, display screen, keypad or touch controls, battery, wireless module, processor, and LED or beeper indicator. Overall, inventory scanners are widely used in warehouses, retail stores, logistics centers, manufacturing units, and stock counting operations. They make stock counting faster, reduce manual errors, track item movement, and help businesses manage inventory more accurately. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.